Today I'm taking a closer look at the OLFA SAC-1, one of the most iconic 9mm snap-off utility knives. If you're into precision cutting, design, or just appreciate a well-made tool, this one definitely deserves some attention. The SAC-1 is slim, light, feels very refined in the hand. Unlike bulkier utility knife, this one is clearly designed for detail and accuracy. It has OLFA signature stainless steel body with a brush finish that gives it a clean, professional look. The build is solid, no rattling part, and no flex. The SAC has an automatic blade lock, which means the blade stays firmly in place during cutting, no slipping, even under pressure. It uses a 30-degree precision blade, much sharper and finer than the standard 9mm 59 degrees blade. Perfect for trimming, model making, design work, or anything that needs accuracy. There's also a pocket clip that doubles as a blade snapper, so you can easily break off dull segments on the go. The slim profile makes it easy to carry around, almost pen-like. The 30-degree blade glides through paper and film with almost no resistance. You can get very clean edges without tearing. For heavier material like thin cardboard, it still handles well, though keep in mind this is more of a precision knife than a heavy-duty cutter. The auto lock keeps the blade stable, so you don't get those little shifts that can ruin a precise line. Pros: it's elegant and slim designed, 30 degrees precision blade option, strong auto lock, built-in snapper on the clip. It is lightweight and portable. Cons: it is not ideal for very tough materials. Clip can feel a little sharp if you grip it too tightly, and blades are a bit harder to find than standard 9mm 59 degree in some regions. Here are comparable slim stainless steel handle models from other manufacturers. This is the OLFA SAC-1, this is the OLFA SVR2, this is a pre-2023 model, but we'll talk about it in later video. This is the MT Cutter Pro A, and this is a Muji knife that I just got 2 weeks ago from Muji Barcelona. The differences are subtle, with the main change in the 30-degree version being the tip geometry designed to align with the blade segments. A handy trick for 4mm craft knife, such as the anti-cutter D400. If spare blades are hard to come by, you can snap a segment of any 30-degree snap-off blade similar to the one I've snapped before, and it will fit just right. If you're into graphic design, architecture, crafts, or model making, this knife is a must-have. The OLFA SAC-1 is simple, sharp, and stylish, a knife that feels more like an instrument. If you want precision and a clean design, this is one of the best in the 9mm category. If you've used the SAC-1, let me know your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more utility knife reviews.